This website is a hidden gem, and to be honest, I'm embarrassed, less surprised that I didn't know about this. A friend of mine told me about this website, and it's super valuable, and I wanted to share it with you guys. Very short video. Basically, the website is called Artificial Analysis, and it's one of the best resources for figuring out what are the top models in any type of for any type of usage. So they have evaluations and benchmarks for image generation, speech to speech, speech to text, text to speech, video generation, etc. Now let me show you, before I show you the results, let me show you a few cool things about how this works. So basically, if you wanna contribute to the ranking or the videos, what you can do, you can come here, and it's kind of like blind tasting. They show you the prompt, they show you two models, two generations of different models, and you vote for them. So the door is pressed once, one chime plays, no second ring occurs. So this is one model. They don't tell you which model is being used over here. Let's see the other one. So over here we didn't have anyone pressing, so I'm going to choose this one. So I chose this one. Let's see. People fade away, leaving the Taj Mahal standing alone. Camera slowly zooms in toward the building. Soft wind and peaceful ambience. This is one alternative. Second alternative. Both not so good, but let's take this one. The wallpaper comes alive versus this one. I like this one more. Anyway, so this is how it basically works. Now you can come here, and the surprising thing for me was the fact that there were many models that I didn't know about, and it also, assuming that this isn't skewed, which it might be skewed, they have very accurate, not accurate, but very good breakdowns of different types of models. So for example, this is the image to video leaderboard. We can filter by with video or without video, with audio or without audio, and then we can see that Seedance 2 is the leader, then Pixverse version 6, then Grok Imagine, then Kling Free Omni, and you can see also the API pricing over here. And you can see many different categories, let's say in terms of physics. If we want nature, we can sort by nature. If we want long prompt, if we want food. So this many different types of breakdowns. Now it was interesting for me to see also in terms of the leaderboard of the speech to text. You can see over here what is leading. So Chirp by Google is leading, and it was also interesting to see the let me see, text to speech, which is being led by Inworld, which I had no idea about, and 11 Labs is only in the second place. And as you can see, 11 Labs is 20 times more expensive than Inworld text to speech. So this was an interesting finding for me, and I'm definitely I already actually already connected to Inworld. I didn't see a major difference between 11 Labs models to Inworld models, but the pricing difference is, as you can see, very significant. So I really like this website. There are a lot of data, and there's a lot of data here of different models, different providers, comparison between open source models, as I already said, different types of usage, and it complements very well with the OpenRouter AI model ranking, which I often use. So I'm currently connected to Anthropic's $100 plan and to OpenAI $20 plan, and I don't know how, but I ran out of credit in both. So I wanted to check out whether or not there is something like I can use via OpenRouter. So I just came to OpenRouter. I took a look in the ranking page. I suddenly saw that Qwen 3.6 is very, very popular. Obviously, it's popular because it's free, but I started using it and it already helped me fix a few minor things, which was great. I might use it more often for non-important stuff. I never heard about this LLM by Xiaomi, which is also interesting. But in general, whenever I want to know regarding rankings of text-to-text models, I usually come to OpenRouter. But from now on, I'm definitely going to make it a point to check out the artificial analysis website, because as I told you, it seems very valuable. I realized that I wasn't aware of many different solutions in the text-to-video and image-to-video space, and also in the text-to-speech space. So highly recommend checking this website out. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, keep on automating.